Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to blur videos in CapCut PC. So just let's start. So first of all, you guys have to open up your CapCut application on your desktop, then choose the video that you want to be blurred. Just like I want to blur this video, so I will click on it. So as you guys can see, the video has been imported. So for blurring the video, it's the most easy and the most convenient way to blur a video. Okay, so just go into this effects section and then just easily search here BLUR blur effect and just click on this flash blur, download it, and you guys can just paste it according to your needs. Just like I want the first 5 seconds of video to be blurred, so I will just drag it to 5 seconds. And as you guys can see, my video has been blurred for 5 seconds. It's easy, just drag and drop it wherever you want to blur and it will be dragged. It's easy, and that's how you guys can easily blur your videos on CapCut PC.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.